How to delete multiple messages on Instagram. For this, you have to switch your account type to professional. To do that, open Instagram and tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top and select Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools. Tap on Switch to Professional Account. Now continue to all of this. Select a category and then tap on Done. Here, select either of Creator or Business, then tap on Next. Tap on Not Now and skip this as well. Now go to your home, tap on the DM section, tap on the three dot at the top, and tap on Select Chats. Here, go ahead and select the chat you want to delete and just tap on Delete at the bottom of the page. And just like that, the multiple messages will be removed from your Instagram. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.